You know, Christmas was made for the children.
Ooh. 27. Hey guys, how you going? Welcome back to my channel. It's day 8 of Vlogmas, and if you're new, welcome. That's Fevin in the background. Hey. Today has been such a fucking L, let me tell you. We were meant to go to the beach, firstly. It is like 40 degrees today. That didn't happen because I had cake issues. I made a cake today, by the way. Didn't show you guys because I thought I would have content to show you at the beach. We were meant to have a meeting, which that flopped as well. And now we're at our favorite Lebanese restaurant for no reason. I have so much to do. I need to edit so many videos. I need to prepare for a cake due tomorrow. I need to watch my movies on my Christmas list. I'm 3 behind. Actually, I'm 4 behind now because I watched number 4 yesterday. Oh, fucking hell. Anyway, so I actually don't know where this video is gonna go. We're just gonna have to YOLO it.
What do you mean?
I don't know what I'm gonna be recording because I got feedback from Tigray, who said that Tigray, my sister, not my state, who said that it looks like you're just making shit up in a way, and I'm like, I am.
But that's the point of it.
I know, but now I'm trying to focus on doing one thing on each vlog at least. So I'm not cooking. Can't really.
Oh, so today's was meant to be the beach.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I kind of had my little rambly little vent in the car earlier today about everything that I did not achieve and did not get to record. So I just decided that I'm gonna show you guys how I make a fondant. Well, technically it's not fondant, it's gum paste, but is gum paste fondant? I don't know. I'm not really into fondant in cake making, by the way. I'm more of a buttercream type of girl. So yeah, I have to make a grad cap. This week's been pretty busy, I can't even lie. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a grad cap and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And then tomorrow's vlog, I'm gonna show you guys how I decorate the cake. Like similar to what I did last time, but this time I'll give you guys, I'm thinking, and hopefully this works out, a kind of step-by-step type ting. So yeah. Plus I haven't opened my advent calendars for today and I'm severely behind on my Christmas movies. And I bought a Christmas mug yesterday, which I'm really proud of. This is my Christmas mug. How cute. There was like different options. There was like Santa, there was a snowman. Santa, snowman, this, and a penguin. I thought the snowman and the penguin was like kind of irrelevant to me because we don't have a white Christmas, we have a scorching hot Christmas. And then the Santa was white, to be honest, and I'm all for representation. So if there was a black Santa, I would have chose him. But there wasn't, so I went for the reindeer. Because obviously reindeers are real. So yeah, I'm gonna make the grad cap and I'm gonna give you a step-by-step kind of rundown on what I'm doing. I'm gonna do a little voiceover, so hopefully it's helpful for anyone that ever wants to make a gum paste grad cap. And yes, if anyone wants to come at me for my technique, I am self-taught and I kind of just make shit up on the way. I'm really good with my hands. Yeah. Do you guys like my dress? It's the most comfortable dress I own. Do you guys like anyone that's a Simpsons fan? I don't even know what this is all about, but those fat people on Simpsons, how they always wear muumuus. Okay, so I'm editing at the moment and realized I made a huge mistake, and I in fact referred to the fat people when I meant Homer Simpson, when he gained a lot of weight and became like super obese and he had to wash his body with a rag on a stick. Oh wow, am I cross-contaminating scenes again? That's butt, isn't it? Fuck. Anyway, yeah, that's the scene I'm referring to, so forgive my ignorance. Back to the vlog. This is like a mini muumuu because it doesn't go to my ankles, it goes up to, it's actually quite short because when I lift my hands you can see a lot, but it's just short dress and it's a muumuu and it's really comfortable. Yeah, I digress. Let me get to it because I don't want to be up all night. Okay, so first things first. First things first, I eat your brains. And I'm gonna start rocking gold teeth the brains, because that's what a motherfucker monster do. Okay, no, I'm kidding. So first things first, I get some baking paper. to put down on the bench, mainly for hygiene reasons, but also for convenience, like for cleaning later. Anyway, that's the gum paste I use. You can get it from your local cake store, wherever that may be. Rolling pin, obviously, because you want to roll the fondant, I was about to say, but it's not fondant, the gum paste out with it. The benefits of using gum paste over fondant is that it dries quicker. So if you want to make delicate things as well, it holds its shape. So if you want to make more delicate things like flowers and stuff, it's really good to use gum paste over fondant, because fondant is quite soft. And for me, this isn't a delicate thing. I just didn't have time on my side, so I needed it to dry quicker. Moving on, I'm divvying out how much gum paste I want to use. And the remaining I am going to put back into the box. That is my reindeer mug with hot chocolate in it. How cute. He's just watching me make this graduation cap. So now I'm just kind of softening up the gum paste with my hands. Making it into a bowl. It is quite firm when you first get it, so you just kind of have to warm it up a little bit with your hands, nothing too dramatic. So here you go, now you just have to roll it out. Also, when you use fondant, you have to use like icing sugar so it doesn't stick. Gum paste is a lot stronger, so you don't have to put icing sugar down, which I love. You can if you want to though. Here I am rolling it out. Roll, roll, roll. Go off, sis. Yes, technique. Okay. Yes, Fanna. Wow. Okay, put your back into it. There she goes. There she goes again. Fantastic. Alright, you're probably wondering, Fanna, what the heck? Why are you getting this cheap Vanilla Essence bottle and rubbing it around this fondant? Well, actually, I'm using it as a mold. This is the circumference I want for the base of the GRAD cap. So I'm using this as a mold. You can use anything. I like to use this. I have one specifically for when I need to use for molds. So it's not like some dirty little bottle. Like I've cleaned it and everything, just so you know. Alright, so I've cut it out. And now I'm just trying to soften the edges because I used a serrated knife. So it's kind of not as flat as I usually like. So now I'm flattening it out with the side of the ruler, just trying to soften the edges, and it seems to be working. Huzzah. Okay, so now I am placing the gum paste around the Vanilla Essence bottle, and I'm gonna leave it to dry in this position essentially. Firstly, I just have to cut the sides. So this is a technique I learned when I was doing pottery, is to cut it at an angle, so then when it comes back together, I don't know if this makes sense, it fits perfectly like a jigsaw. Like now it just slides in together. Yeah, so you don't have no overlappy kind of thing on the side. Alright, so here I have a paintbrush. I use this for all my baking needs, and a bowl of water. So I'm using the water to glue the gum paste together, the two sides. You don't need to use anything fancy, so literally just water. And if you don't have a paintbrush, you can use your fingers if they're clean, because you literally only need a little bit of water. Here I'm kind of pushing the sides together to make it flat and make it look a lot less like it was glued together, more like it came that way. And now I'm just using a knife to kind of press it down and put some pressure on it. Yeah, so that is pretty much all for the base of the GRAD cap. Now I'm going to put that aside to dry overnight, and hopefully that will set in time. Next, I'm going to start making the top part of the GRAD cap, so the square. So I'm going to use the leftover gum paste. I'm rolling it out to be as thin as I want. I only have a day to let this dry, so I don't want it to be too thick because I need it to dry in time. Alright, so now I'm using my ruling instrument. I actually have a ruler that I use in the kitchen, but I couldn't find it. So I had to use this, which I also use for my cakes, by the way, to level it out on the top. But yeah, so I'm gonna rule out the sides, make them straight and the same lengths. I want it to be a square. So I'm kind of just doing that now, ruling it out and shaping it. Once I've finished shaping it, I'm going to grab all the leftover gum paste and put it back in the container with the rest. No wastage here. Okay, so here I have the base and the top of the grad cap. I am going to leave this in a cool, dry place for it to set overnight. Alright guys, thanks for watching day 8 of Vlogmas. Just drinking my hot chocolate. Yeah, thanks for watching day 8 of Vlogmas. Sorry that it's so chippy choppy. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, support your local amateur YouTuber, okay? We need the love. I have to stress, I really have to stress. I know I already mentioned this, but I have to stress. I am not a professional at making fondant stuff or gum paste, whatever the difference is. So yeah, don't come for me too hard, all you professional cakers, okay? Thanks for watching, bye. Oh, my bun is 4K.
Feel so in love, if he only knew what he does to me, my man, my man.